What is quality? Is it the material that something's made of? Or is it the mind that dreamed up the design? Is it the people that build the product? Or the fact that it lasts for generations? At Rotary, we've been building lifts for nearly 100 years, and our wheelhouse just got bigger. Our products are reliable, rock solid, and hard-working, just like the people that use them. Clocking in every morning and giving 100% every day. Powering through when things get tough, because that's what we do. Times have changed, but one thing will always stay the same. If you want the best, you want Rotary.